some Shake Shack. Check it if it's like the right size. So we just stopped by Super Saver to get some glue guns and glue sticks because I want to make something for Christmas, and now we're gonna go straight to Shake Shack.
I wish.
I thought.
Hey, damn.
So we finally got our order. Now we're gonna go home.
Now we're gonna go home. British.
The better, the better.
The better. These are.
Do you have fries?
No.
Just got 4 burgers.
4 burgers and the chicken bites. Vacation is key.
The burger comes with
No.
the fries.
No, sweetheart. You want fries?
No, it's okay.
We can get McDonald's fries
it's
if you want.
okay. Driving like a maniac. So that's the burger, guys. Nuggets, right? This is nuggets.